What is inverted pyramid approach of content marketing? This is my topic now. I'm just explaining about this topic. So, inverted pyramid approach is like your upturned pyramid. The pyramid is like this pyramid. So, when I do content marketing in this approach, I select certain topics like say top 20 digital marketing company, say top 10 say e-commerce websites or something like that. So these are the catchy topics that can attract more attention from visitors, more from people. And then this is the top layer of the pyramid, and then I just go down like that. And when I discuss about some other details, I summarize the content actually and give more details. Like I go down, I use videos, I use say more information about the top 20 or whatever topic I have chosen, and I go more into details. I then and or the summary. So this way I just drill down with more information so that my information is a good read and people can engage with my content. So this improves my SEO.